Guys, so today we're gonna be going into Dylan's to make a surprise mystery cake, and we're gonna be closing our eyes and randomly selecting ingredients, and then we're gonna make a cake.
Ready, set, go. Stop.
Oh.
Ruby was strawberry.
So we're gonna
And Kyla was with banana.
We picked strawberry. It's gross.
Go. Stop. Ruby got chocolate and Kyla got unicorn funfetti vanilla.
We picked funfetti vanilla because it's better than chocolate.
Ready, set, go. Stop. Stop. We are now leaving Dylan's.
Okay, so for the cake we have strawberry, and then we have vanilla funfetti unicorn frosting.
And then on the top we have lollipops that we're gonna stick in, and then we have this black spray that we're gonna like design it with. So yeah.
Oh, slow down.
Why?
This is like cool and stuff.
Yeah.
Be like,
Okay, the cake is frosted, so now we're gonna go with our black spray paint.
Yep.
It's edible, but I don't know what we're gonna put on it.
Okay, so we're gonna do a K and an R for Kyla and Ruby.
Oh my!
Holy cow. Okay, so that didn't really turn out like we wanted it, but Ruby's gonna do the sprinkles now.
Okay. I need the. Oh.
Okay, now we're gonna just try it. So here we go.
So scared. It's a bit dry.
It's actually very dry.
What?
I repeat, do not try the cake. Do not try the cake.